Now let's get to know a little bit about the builder. Well, Urban Rise is a prominent, fast-growing residential brand which is backed by South India's well-acclaimed Alliance Group. Now, what really makes this project special? Well, each tower features state-of-the-art rooftop spaces equipped with sky lounges, barbecue corner and a lot more. A project that is well defined by its architecture. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Class and today we'll be doing the project overview of Urban Rise on Cloud 33 by Urban Rise Developers, which is located in Bachupalli Cess Road, Hyderabad. Now before starting, let me show you the surrounding of the project. And as you can see that this is the exact location of the project. So this entire place is going to be your land parcel and your marketing office is placed right on the top floor of your clubhouse. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Now unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. In the video, we will be discussing below points like project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and a lot more. So let's get this video started. Now, let's get to know about the project. So this project is going to be constructed on 9.15 acres of land parcel, featuring in total 5 towers with 3 basement ground and 33 floors, having 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. Now coming over to the location part, as you can see that this is the exact location of the project, which is located on Bachupalli Cess Main Road, Hyderabad. Now from here, your SLG hospital, your D-Mart, your outer ring road is only a few minutes away. When we talk about the connectivity, your SLG hospital is just 2.4 kilometers away from here. Your Nehru outer ring road is just 3.6 kilometers away from here. Now coming over to the amenities part, the project comes with a curated set of lifestyle amenities, which includes your huge swimming pool area. Then you will also find your grand clubhouse, which is going to be 85,000 square feet. You also have your open landscape garden spaces and a lot more. Now, if you're living here in Hyderabad, then I have one strong recommendation for you. That is, you definitely need to watch Housey Rights of Home Buyers series. You know, many home buyers don't even know what their actual rights are. For example, if you pay a token amount to a builder and later decide to cancel the booking, how much money can the builder legally deduct? And if after the possession there are construction quality related issues, or sometimes you don't know what liabilities. As a home buyer, knowing your legal rights are very important. We have explained all these topics in a very simple, easy to understand manner. So before you buy a home, I strongly recommend that you watch this series and you will find the link in the description below. Now, coming over to the super built-up areas, first we have 2.5 BHK and the configuration for that is going to be 1110 square feet. Then we have 3 BHK and the configuration for that is going to be 1353 to 1617 square feet. And then we finally have 4 BHK for which the configuration is going to be 1914 to 2021 square feet. Coming over to the booking process, let's discuss the booking process. So as of now, the project booking windows are open. The clients are invited to the site where the sales team will explain the complete project details, will share the pricing and the payment schemes as well. Now, if the client likes the project, they can proceed for booking by paying a certain token amount. So everyone, that was the project overview of Urban Rise on Cloud 33 by Urban Rise Developers located on Bachupalli Cess Main Road, Hyderabad. Lastly, for more such amazing videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey's official website www.housey.com and step into a lifestyle of comfort, connectivity and elevated living.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.